Malacanang has welcomed the United States' decision to exempt the Philippines from its aid freeze, allowing crucial security assistance to move forward. The palace described the exemption as a significant development, ensuring the $36 million assistance for the modernization of the country's security forces will proceed as planned. This funding is part of the $500 million foreign military financing package approved by the U.S. Congress last year under the Biden administration. While the Philippine government remains committed to advancing the armed forces of the Philippines or AFP modernization program, Malacanang emphasized that the support from the U.S. will further strengthen efforts to enhance the country's defense capabilities.
Nagpapasalamat po tayo sa suporta na yan. Tandaan po natin, ito pa ay mula sa pamahalaan po ni dating Pangulo na US President Biden at ito pa rin po ay pinagtibay din po sa panahon po ni President Donald Trump. So masarap po na makatanggap ng ganitong good news at ang suporta po ng US sa atin ay hindi po mapapasubali.